Halloween and yeah, fireworks. There are a lot of fireworks because it's Halloween night. So yeah, very nice. That's the moon over there. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, it's light. Hopefully you don't mind. I'll probably make it smaller and I'll put it out to help you.
Bự lắm. Ôi quán bà
Ha.
Ăn đi xì à?
And the bottom there's sparkles. Yeah. It's really oh my god, that's so many. There's so many. It's Halloween night. I never thought Halloween. It's gonna be loud. Oh, I feel it. Oh, yeah. 2 minutes, I'm just